I'm a working girl. Now I'm a hottie. I'm a working girl.
This is what I deal with every single day, guys. Now look at the view. Bye-bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye, Krabi. Beautiful beaches.
All the way. Look at that. That's crazy. That's
I love lounges.
Look at that. Thanks to her and her $500 annual fee.
Less now. Capital X.
Respective terminals. Airport transit
Where's
shuttle
the
bus
waterfall?
is available for transfers to other terminals.
Waterfall.
Please do approach the airport staff.
Look at this, guys. It's the waterfall of truth. The waterfall of truth. Recording of the recording. What's up, brother? Yep. And shadoosh. So we're at Airbnb, right? Ooh, this is the room. Isn't that crazy? Hold on. So it's like, I thought this was the bed, right? Nope. We had to go up through here.
Through the table.
On top of the table.
We'll probably eat and work on.
Oh my god. This is actually pretty cool. You like it?
I kind of.
Guys, we're at the legendary restaurant right here. They even have their own hand sand. Oh, look at this. This thing is steaming hot, so you can, I don't know why they do this, but there's a chicken. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Salad. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
We're trying the soup. What on my arm? All right, guys. This is a chive. This guy said it was really good.
That's really good.
Really?
That's really good.
Holy. One bite. Everyone knows the rules.
Oh, that's good.
Walk away. Knows the rules. Braised pork belly. You see the pork chop, and then also this Malaysian curry. There's our friend Daryl. Here's Venom. All right, now let's take a bite of this. I want to try this. All right, this looks good. We got a little egg, and then a little bit of pork, a little bit of rice, a little bit of cabbage. One bite. Everyone knows the freaking rules. Let's go. It's home meal.
Home meal? Do it. Whoa.
Jesus. Oh my god, there's a spoon in there.
Well.
Alright. Lily, they have Oreo Coke in Singapore. So by the way, this place isn't cheap. The bed's up there. This place costs $100 a night. The restroom's out there. I gotta get the towels. Follow me. This is the table. And then you pass by this. You pass by that. And look at this. I don't even know. I'm gone. But wait a second. I'm back. Look how short it is. Japanese style. Toast to you.
Ready? Beautiful.